Number 1. 1964 Ford F-250, price $7,900, equipped with a 292 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in its original turquoise color, the truck was repainted years ago and features a spray-in bedliner for added durability. It has manual brakes, manual steering, and roll-up windows. Recently, the truck received a tune-up, oil change, and lube, ensuring it's running in top mechanical condition. The tires have excellent tread, although they do show signs of weather cracking due to age. While it's not a show-quality restoration, it drives just as an old truck should, with a rugged charm and classic feel. The interior is finished in matching turquoise, maintaining the truck's period-correct aesthetic. This Ford comes with a clean, clear title and is currently registered through April 2027, complete with distinctive Pacific Wonderland plates. Number 2. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, featuring a 350 V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. With 184,000 miles on the odometer, it's still going strong and is currently driven 80 miles daily without issue. The manual transmission is easy to learn and makes for a fun and engaging driving experience. It comes in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior and runs on gasoline. The owner has the title in hand, the registration tags are valid until next year, and the vehicle passed smog within the last 90 days. Recent maintenance includes a full tune-up and several new parts, brand new tires, spark plugs, plug wires, distributor cap, rotor, idle air control, EGR valve and its control unit, knock sensor, fuel filter, and air filter. It also comes with new speakers for a better audio experience, and a catback exhaust system that enhances both performance and sound. Number 3. 1974 Chevrolet Cheyenne, price $9,500, with approximately 80,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring an automatic transmission and finished in a timeless burgundy two-tone paint job, it presents as a dependable driver that starts right up and runs smoothly every time. The truck has recently received a number of tasteful and functional upgrades, making it both reliable and visually appealing. These include a new spray-in bedliner, new BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, and new wagon wheel steel wheels, giving it a rugged, ready-for-anything look. Under the hood, it's been fitted with a new aluminum radiator, new alternator, new wiper motor, and a recently installed Edelbrock 600 carburetor, enhancing its performance and reliability. This Cheyenne is a great example of a usable classic pickup ideal for cruising, hauling, or simply enjoying a piece of Chevrolet's rich truck history. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1992 Ford F-150, price $9,300, well-preserved California truck, known for being completely rust-free. Powered by a fuel-efficient 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, it has traveled approximately 190,000 miles. Despite its age, it runs and drives excellently, with everything working just as it should, including cold air conditioning and full power options. The exterior is finished in green, while the interior features a clean and comfortable gray cabin. This F-150 is bone stock and remains fully original, making it an excellent example of a classic, unmodified pickup. It's especially impressive in its overall condition, clean, straight, and reliable, a rare find for a 1992 model. Number 5. 1995 GMC 3500, price $6,500, powered by a 5.7-liter gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. With 230,000 miles on the odometer, the truck has recently undergone several major updates, making it a strong candidate for work or hauling use. It features a bold yellow exterior matched with a tan interior. A brand new transmission was installed less than 50 miles ago following a full rebuild, ensuring smooth shifting and dependable performance. The truck has also received a new exhaust system, new front-end brakes, and a new fuel pump along with a sending unit. The rockers and cab corners have been replaced, and new rear shocks have been installed to improve ride quality. The frame and undercarriage have been freshly painted to prevent rust, and a recent oil change adds to the vehicle's overall readiness. Number 6. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500, well-preserved example with only 105,000 original miles on the odometer. It features a powerful V8 engine and an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and reliable performance. The truck retains its factory originality, having never been modified, a rare find in this condition. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a clean gray interior, it runs on gasoline and rides on brand new tires. This shortbed model comes with a clean title and is currently registered through next year. Finding a 1994 GMC Sierra 1500 this original and clean is becoming increasingly difficult, making it a standout choice for collectors or anyone looking for a classic, dependable truck.
Number 7.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,995. This truck is a remarkably clean and rust-free example of a dependable full-size pickup. With 207,000 miles on the odometer, it's powered by a strong-running 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive, making it capable both on and off the road. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well and needs nothing mechanically, it's ready to go as is. The exterior is finished in classic white, while the interior features a well-kept gray cabin that remains comfortable and functional. It runs on gasoline and has been well maintained over the years, showing pride of ownership. Overall, this Silverado is in great shape for its age and mileage.
Number 8.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,300. This truck is in excellent running condition and drives perfectly. It features a 4.8-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission that was recently rebuilt, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. With 182,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a dependable and capable full-size pickup. The truck comes equipped with a Cayenne cold air intake, which adds to its performance and efficiency. Inside, the tan interior is complemented by ice-cold air conditioning and strong heating, providing comfort in any season. The silver exterior still shows well, and the truck runs on gasoline, making it a solid choice for daily driving or work use.
Number 9.
1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000, well-maintained and reliable classic truck that's in great condition for its age. With only 148,000 miles on the odometer, considered low for a vehicle from 1991, it features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior and interior are both finished in matching red, giving it a bold, classic look. The truck comes equipped with a brand new radiator, alternator, and brakes, ensuring dependable performance and reduced maintenance concerns. It also features cold air conditioning, which adds to driving comfort, especially in warmer climates. A sturdy toolbox is included, making it ideal for anyone needing extra storage or utility on the go.
Number 10.
1978 GMC 2500, price $5,500. Finished in a striking green exterior with a contrasting tan interior, it retains its original factory interior, which remains in excellent condition, a testament to the care it's received over the years. Under the hood, the truck is powered by its original factory 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, paired with an automatic transmission and a posi-traction rear end. It rides on durable 8-lug wheels, emphasizing its heavy-duty capabilities. Additional factory and dealer-installed features include power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, making it a comfortable and capable classic. This GMC also comes equipped with dual fuel tanks for extended range, perfect for long hauls or practical utility use.